What's up guys, Logan here, and I'm back with another episode of Product Prodigy. So today, I'm going to go through some TVs because I am looking for one for next year, and I thought I'd just make a video out to see if I could find the best budget ones, because TVs are expensive, and if you're a college student like me, you cannot afford some really expensive fancy-dancy TV. Plus, you probably don't really want a fancy one because it's going to be either in a college dorm or apartment. Probably a higher risk of it getting broken or something. So, let's go through this list, and I will show you the best budget smart TVs you can get for your college dorm or apartment. This might possibly be either the last or second to last episode you see in my dorm room here. I am out of school on April 24th, so that's going to be great because next year I will be living in an apartment with my own room, so I'm so happy I'm going to be getting that. So yeah, I'll be in my hometown for the summer, and then on around August 15th, I will be back here in an apartment. So, this first one, this Samsung 85-inch LED 8K TV, it is $15,000. I think that's a great deal. I'm just kidding, guys. That's probably quite the opposite of what you want. Except if Lori Loughlin is your mother. So I think I found some 4 decent TVs you can get that are fairly affordable. So this first one is the LG 49-inch LED TV. It's 2160, so it's 4K. It's a smart TV. I'm not sure how LG's smart software works, but it looks clean and beautiful. LG does have beautiful displays, and it is $225. If you buy it at Best Buy, you don't feel like paying the whole thing. They do a 6-month financing where you could pay $37.50 a month. Next up on the list, this is found on Walmart's website, is the Septor 50-inch 4K TV. It is not a smart TV, but if you do have a Fire Stick or a Roku stick or Google, something like that, you could just plug it right in. Turns it right into a smart TV. But the reason that I chose this is because 50-inch is a great size, and it looks like the bezels are very thin and clean. It looks like a beautiful TV, and it is $220, which is not bad of a price for a 4K TV at that size. Next up on the list, I found on Best Buy's website as well. It is the Insignia 43-inch 4K smart TV, and it is implemented with the Fire TV software. Now, I have a Fire TV stick, and I am not a huge fan of the software. I'd much rather prefer the Roku software over the Fire TV. But if you don't mind what software you're getting, or if you actually like the Fire TV software, this is a go-to for you. It is $200, and with the 6-month financing at Best Buy, you can get it for $33-34 a month. Last up on the list, I found this one on Amazon. It is the TCL Roku Smart TV. It is 4K, and honestly, this would probably be the go-to for me because I am a huge fan of the Roku software. It's just simple and easy to find everything, and I haven't really had a whole lot of struggles with that software. What's odd though is that there was 2 listings for this same TV on Amazon. I had one listing here for $200, and then there was another listing for the same exact TV for $250, and I'm guessing it's because the one that's $200 is almost sold out, so it might bump back up to $250. So if you really want to get this TV, I would go out and get it right now. Big announcement before you guys go: if you love sports, then me and my friend Brant Oliver have created a sports podcast called Tailgate Talk, where we talk about football, basketball, baseball, other sports as well, and we're just so excited to get this started. We released our first episode last Wednesday, and it is available on Spotify. We're trying to get it approved for Apple Podcasts, and it is also available on the Anchor app if you use that as well. You can just go to my Instagram right here, logant.harris, and it'll be in the link in my bio. And that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this TV and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time on Product Prodigy.